Hello everyone, welcome to Exam Trials. From the last few videos, I was talking about different types of theories of intelligence, such as one factor theory given by Alfred Binet. Second one is two factor theory by Charles Spearman. Third theory is multiple intelligence theory by Thorndike. Fourth one is group factor theory by L. Thurston. Fifth one is theory of multiple intelligence by Howard Gardner. Sixth one is triarchic theory of intelligence by Robert Sternberg. Seventh one is theory of structure of intellect by J.P. Guilford. And recently I have uploaded oligarchic theory of intelligence, and one more will be uploaded soon. But today I am going to share the previous year questions asked in the CTET exams from the concept intelligence and theories of intelligence. So without further delay, let's get into our video. The first question is, the three broad areas of intelligence behavior as suggested by Thurston are. This question is from Thurston's theory of intelligence, that is group factor theory. There are four options given. First option, abstract, mechanical, social. Second one is sensory, motor, social. Third one is age, maturity and race. Fourth one is speech, gesture and expression. From these options, we need to find out the three areas mentioned in the theory of intelligence by Thurston. Here answer is option A, abstract, mechanical and social. Then second question is, Spearman theory is also known as dash theory, while Thurston's theory is known as dash. Answers are, Spearman theory is known as eclectic theory and Thurston theory is also known as anarchic theory. Moving on to third question, which is asked in the year 2018. Theory of multiple intelligence says that options are, intelligence can be of several kinds. Option B, paper pencil tests are not helpful. Option C, intelligence can be multiplied with effective pedagogy. Option D, intelligence can be rapidly accelerated. Here answer is option A, intelligence can be of several kinds. Next is the fourth question, which is asked in the year 2016. Howard Gardner's theory of multiple intelligence suggests that options are, teachers should use multiple intelligence as a framework for devising alternative ways to teach the subject matter. Option B, ability is destiny and does not change over a period of time. Option C, every child should be taught every subject in 8 different ways in order to develop all of their intelligence. Option D, intelligence is solely determined by IQ test. Here the answer is option A, teachers should use multiple intelligence as a framework for devising alternative ways to teach the subject matter. Fifth question is a match the following question asked in the year 2016 from the theory of multiple intelligence by Howard Gardner. Here options are musical, linguistic, interpersonal, spatial, and the other side is therapist, poet, athlete, violinist, sculptor. and candidate need to match the correct terms. Here musical, the option A moves to fourth one, violinist. Option B, linguistic, suits for poet. Option C, interpersonal for therapist. Option D, spatial for sculptor. Moving on to the 60th question asked in the year 2015. According to Gardner's theory of multiple intelligence, the factor that would contribute most for being a self-aware individual would be, options are option A musical, option B spiritual, option C linguistic, option D intrapersonal. Here answer is option D intrapersonal. 7th question, which of the following is a form of Sternberg triarchy theory of intelligence? Options are option A practical intelligence, option B experimental intelligence, option C resourceful intelligence, option D mathematical intelligence. Here answer is A practical intelligence. Question number 8. Who developed first intelligence test? Options are David Wechsler, option B Alfred Binet, option C Charles Edward Spearman, option D Robert Sternberg. This question asked in the year 2014. Here answer is option B Alfred Binet. Now 9th question, in the context of theory of multiple intelligence, which one of the following intelligence is required for an Air Force pilot? This question asked in the year 2014. Options are interpersonal, linguistic, kinesthetic, intrapersonal. The answer is option C kinesthetic. 10th one, emotional intelligence may be associated with which domain of the theory of multiple intelligence? This question also from the year 2014. Now options are intrapersonal intelligence, naturalistic intelligence, visual spatial intelligence, existential intelligence, interpersonal. Here answer is option A intrapersonal intelligence. Now 11th question, which of the following is not an intelligence given by Gardner? Options are naturalistic, logical mathematical, interpersonal and spiritual. Here answer is option D spiritual. Now 12th question, classification of students in different groups based on their IQ tends to dash their self-esteem and dash academic performance. Options are increase decrease, option B increase increase, option C decrease decrease, option D decrease has no effect on. Here answer is option C. Classification of students in different groups based on their IQ tends to decrease the self-esteem and decrease academic performance. Moving on to the 13th question, intelligence is options A specific ability, option B set of capacity, option C a singular and generic concept, option D the ability to imitate others. Here answer is option B set of capacity. 14th question, which of the following is true statement in reference to intelligence? Options are option A intelligence is the ability to learn, option B intelligence is the ability to adjust, option C intelligence is the ability of abstract reasoning, option D all of these. Here option D is the right answer, that is all of the above. In the last question, 15th one is intelligence attains its maximum level at the age of options. Option A 10 to 11, option B 15 to 16, option C 19 to 20, option D 40 to 41. Here answer is option B 15th 16. Intelligence attained its maximum level at the age of 15 to 16. So that's all about the previous year questions from the concept intelligence and theories of intelligence. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.